Hello and welcome to this short video where I will demonstrate you how you can create such blog posts here, like answering questions such as what is important for going out camping. It's just an example. You can imagine you have thousands, maybe 10,000s of relevant questions you could possibly answer for Google, for other search engines, to get more visitors. So this is, for example, what we need to prepare before when we want to go out camping. And I will not show you the whole text, the whole generated article, but just for getting an impression what Postlabs is able to do. And also this very nice tables. And you cannot do such tables with, for example, ChatGPT. You cannot do such tables with Jasper. And especially not with only a few clicks, with only one click and you publish and you have them. So in Postlabs, you can choose whether you want to have, for example, listicles, these tables, conclusions, bold, whatever. You can choose that in Postlabs. And to show you that maybe simultaneously, like the article and Postlabs, let me log into my account so I can show you how everything is working. And we are now in the dashboard of Postlabs, in my dashboard, in my admin dashboard if you want so. And it would look the same for you, and you can see your savings insights. The more articles you generate, the more you of course see how much time you unlocked more, how additionally money you saved, and how much members you saved, you avoided if you want so, like how much avoided stuff you can count after you published a lot of articles. But anyway, we want to go into my articles. By the way, you can see, of course, all your articles, all your generated articles, also in Postlabs in your own My Articles section. What you can see to the left, you can see what articles are in progress, what articles are published already, and what articles are not published right now. And we go to the published. I mean, by the way, you can also filter by folder, because you can create folders so you have it always organized. For example, when you want to answer questions about online marketing and you have 7 different subtopics you want to answer questions in. So then you can, of course, create folders for every subtopic you want to answer questions in. So you can choose okay, I want to answer questions for the topic email marketing, for social media marketing, for performance marketing, whatever. You can do that by just simply create your folder and you have it organized. And this is something what I really missed with WordPress all the time. Of course, you have plugins, but they are super laggy and super heavy loaded with code or whatever, what makes WordPress really slowly. And this was never fun for me. I don't know how it's for you, but with Postlabs, you don't need to make any thoughts again about that. So also you can, of course, filter by different websites. When you have different websites integrated with Postlabs, right now only one is possible, but when you have in future more websites, you can choose, okay, what articles do you want to see from which website? So you can filter them by website also. But for now, we keep it simple. We just have one website integrated, published, and we can just see. By the way, we have multi-languages. We have German language. So for everyone who's watching right now who is German, don't worry. It's perfectly working for German language and English language, for both languages right now. It's perfectly fine. And it's amazing. And here you can see all the articles you've generated, and you can see we have the article here, what I've showed you before. This one here, we are on that. And you can also have a preview, of course, in Postlabs, so you don't need to go to WordPress. You can also see your meta tags and your excerpts. Okay, let me see. And what you can see here, you can see right here, you can see the article before. And when we launch, probably you will be able to have like an editor. So before you send it to WordPress and publish it, you have the chance to edit it. So you can edit some parts, headlines, maybe even yeah, like whole sections of text. So you can edit it and make it maybe even better before you publish it. But hey, here we go. And it's super simple. It's super simple. All you need to do is under settings. This is very easy. When you have Postlabs, everything what you need to do is, and by the way, you can test Postlabs free, completely free for your first 3 articles. Maybe not with every feature, but it's very nice. And under integrations, you can connect your website with very simple steps, okay? Just give this website a name. You can choose website username. These are your login credentials, so we are able to connect Postlabs with your WordPress website. Then your website URL, simple exercise, okay? Website URL, you have it, and your website API key. What exactly that is and where you can get that from, I will show you later in a very, very short tutorial. This is WordPress built-in. This is a WordPress built-in feature, so you can generate like many amounts of website API keys. It's nothing complicated. You don't need a plugin for that. You don't need extra software for that. This is a feature what WordPress has built in already. All right, okay. So when we go to single block, and then we can type in a question. And I will do it again. I will just do it again, and I will generate like an article about the question, what is important for going out, okay? Or maybe we just make like, what is important for going out fishing, okay? So we can compare it, we can separate it from each other. And now I will show you what is important for going out fishing, and we use this question. And all we do is we choose our connected website here. So now we are fetching all the data, what is important. Now we choose a category, and those categories are not for Postlabs. Those categories are the fetched categories from your WordPress website, okay? So we have now important information from your WordPress website, so you can choose them in Postlabs, so you don't even need to go into your WordPress account anymore to make everything done. Postlabs is totally fine. Seriously, you don't need to be logged into Postlabs, not in WordPress if you don't want to. So from here, you can also select your author. I will select max, article status. You can also decide, okay, do you want to draft it, publish it, schedule it? You even can schedule the article. When you say, okay, I would like to schedule the article for tomorrow, so you can choose tomorrow, okay? This is no problem. Let me now publish it. Text, yes, text is nothing I need to explain, I think, hopefully. So folder, you can choose your folder here. Let me choose my folder 1. And now you can choose the language. Now we have English, French, Spanish, and German. This is no problem. This is working. So here you can choose your length of the article. It's always like, of course, approx length. It's not like very, very, very accurate, like word accurate. It's, of course, approximate. So you can make it like short, middle, and long. Probably in the future we optimize that section here. And here now we can, with the text structure, we can decide whether we want to have in the text, we want to have conclusions. Yes, okay, we make a check on that. Maybe we want to have tables. Okay, we have a check on that. Listicles, also lists, of course, italics, and bold. I will, for now, keep the conclusions away. So I don't want conclusions for now, but yeah, all right. Let's do it. We can do it. And the image now, I am in a free account, so this is not available right now to set, but I will make you another short tutorial later. And everything what we do now is we click on the right button. We click on start generating. And now hopefully there's no error. Perfect. Now we can see it here. And what we can see is, I show it to you, we can see the live progress. The progress bar is maybe not the most beautiful one, but the most prettiest one. But hey, this is just a bonus. This is not that important. What is way more important is what the text will look like, right? This is something what is way more important. And I will prepare that text. We can see now the progress. It's 27%, 36, and so on. And this will go on like that. And we put it into here, into this category, Wordpress plugins. This is just a test project, okay? This is nothing you need to take care so much of, you don't need to worry about so much. This is just a project so we can test. This is, by the way, built with Breakdance. For everyone who want to know that, Breakdance gives us the chance to customize very much things. So we are at 36, 55%. I think the text will be very long. And let's pause that video for a while. See you soon. All right, right now we are done with the text. The text is generated by Postlabs, and when the text was finished, okay, you can also, let me demonstrate that one moment. So you can see here like a preview, okay? And then you can click that preview and you can see beforehand, like, okay, what's the text gonna look like? Okay, and this is very nice. Right now we don't have the editor, but we will have it very soon, so you can make changes before you publish it and you can see it. And how does that look like now in my real WordPress? How does that look like? And it's of course very long. It's like 6,358 words. We just need to optimize a little bit like the size. But that this is not mattering so hard right now in this video. It does not matter so hard. And here's the text. What is important for going out fishing? And we have like the excerpt, and everything is automatically pushed into that. Okay, it's automatically H1. This is automatically our excerpt. It's automatically keyword optimized, but like with a human touch. Like it's not extreme. And here, by the way, this is a placeholder for the image we will have available soon, especially in the paid accounts. And yeah, introduction, understanding the basics, and you have like beautiful listicles. Here again, and you have a good combination. I think it's very good balance between listicles, like normal text sections, and of course you have the conclusions. We made a check on that, and of course for having it even more natural, even more better, yeah, we have like also of course the tables. This is very nice, and everyone who's now maybe a little bit knowledge into phishing can read the text. I will put the text down below the video, and you can check that out. You can check that out. The beautiful thing is you can style all the tables like you want that. Okay, so you can style that tables because we use raw code. So you can change the CSS style when you are a little bit knowledgeable, a little bit more advanced. If not, you can help us. We can help you when you are a client of us. Of course, we can help you with that. Like make the tables even with the color of your website. This is no problem. This is no problem at all. You just need to make one code change and that's it. Okay, all right. And you have it like, this is crazy, you know. This is really with a push to a button. And this took Postlabs maybe, I don't know, 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes, and you can do it like as often as you want, and especially very important, as often as you need it. And let's be honest, no one wants to write all that text, what is very good, by the way, what is very professional and correct, on your own. You don't want to text that on your own. Let's be honest, even this is your topic. You don't have the time. You want to spend your time with something else, like maybe with going fishing, not with writing about fishing. Okay? This is very important that you don't need to do that anymore by yourself. Okay, of course, you can check the text. You can test, is it maybe a good text? Maybe we need to add some information. Maybe we need to tweak some information. Okay, all right. Okay, agree. But you don't need to do the whole thing by your own anymore. This is not needed anymore. You need to see it like that. how much money do you lose while writing such a big text? Instead, let Postlabs do it for just a few bucks. Let's be honest. And I can tell you, how to say that? I recommend to be one of the first ones who use AI to write this text. Maybe not Postlabs, maybe some other tool, whatever. I don't know. I don't care because I built that for my own. Okay, I can use that on my own for my own projects. But I recommend you to use AI in whatever way you want to use it for your texts, for getting more traffic from the search engines. Okay, very, very important thing. Okay, I hope this helped you to get a little bit more insight, perspective, more view into what Postlabs is capable of. What Postlabs can do for you, and if that is cool for you, if that is useful for you for just a few bucks. And don't try to copy paste from ChatGPT. This is super annoying and this takes too much time. In that time where you are copy pasting from ChatGPT or from Jasper, you can plan more questions. You can search more questions and just feed Postlabs with that questions. Because what, for example, Jasper and ChatGPT are not capable of doing is, compared to Postlabs, they cannot prepare like a whole article like that, like a whole structured article with listicles, with tables, with bolds, with italics, with conclusions, and many, many, many other things, and even make images into the sections and a feature image. Okay, you cannot publish with Jasper or with ChatGPT straightforward to your WordPress website. This is not possible right now, and we are expert doing that. We are experts into that because we need it on our own. So we built that software for ourselves, but you can also use it if you want. Okay, let me know about your thoughts in that comments below, and let me know if you like that. Maybe if you have some wishes, some questions, please let me know. I will answer them, and soon, very soon, you can test Postlabs for free on your own. Just follow the link in the description, also the link for that article, so you can check that article out by yourself. It's online. You can check that also in the link in the video description. And thank you very much for your attention, and we will see each other soon. Have a good day.